Then the title, then if it is YouTube you choose, and then you click on this one, so create, and then you click on this one, so you click on text, then you add, then you insert, then you can, yeah, that's okay, you can adjust, and it's okay, the way it is okay. So let's check. So we can add, and you can choose a different font, yeah, so that's okay, and you can choose a different color, then that's how it looks, yeah, you can add, so you can add that one, yeah, that's okay, yeah, and then after that you can save your, you can click on this one, yeah, let's see, so you click on this one to save, click on that, and then make a move,